Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Wednesday, the 7th of July, 2021. Where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. It was a strong day on the local share market, with the S&P ASX 200 ending up 0.9% to 7,327 points. Technology stocks did best, followed by consumer staples and healthcare companies. Energy companies were among the worst performers. Afterpay was the best performer among the large caps, jumping 4.5%. Hearing implant company Cochlear rose 4.4%, and cloud accounting company Xero was up nearly 4%. Others to do well were James Hardie Industries, Newcrest Mining, Goodman Group and REA. But the best performer on the top 200 was Challenger Limited, following news that US-based private equity group Apollo Global had taken an 18% stake in the annuity provider and fund manager. Challenger shares jumped 9%. And the move suggests the group is in play after months of unsubstantiated rumours about bids for Challenger. The worst performer on the ASX 200 today were Nanosonics and Whitehaven Coal, both down more than 4%. Sydney Airport also underperformed on the back of the extended lockdown in that city, and Woodside went backwards alongside lower oil prices. In other corporate news, Seven Group has passed the 34.5% hurdle it set for its stake in Boral. As a result, shareholders in the building materials group that have taken up Seven's takeover offer, despite the board of Boral rejecting it, will receive $7.40 a share. Seven now has 35% of the company. Sandfire Resources has been granted a mining licence for its copper mine in Botswana, meaning the $364 million project should be able to go ahead. Construction crews are expected to start work in the next few days. Its share price rose 1.2%. Wasn't a lot of economics around, at least relative to yesterday. There was some data from ANZ. Growth in monthly spending during June was below previous years as lockdowns kicked in, according to the ANZ's card data. There was a 9% fall in spending on dining and a 5% drop in groceries. The good news is that after previous lockdowns, spending has bounced back. Hopefully that will occur again, particularly since the Sydney lockdown has been extended for a week. The Aussie dollar continues to trade below 75 US cents. That won't concern the Reserve Bank because a weaker dollar makes Australian exports more competitive, providing a boost to the national economy. Some market economists are now forecasting the currency to fall lower as commodity prices, particularly iron ore, come off. Commonwealth Bank, for example, expects the currency to drop towards 72 US cents and possibly 70 US cents by the end of the year. Recapping Wall Street, the S&P 500 closed down 0.2%. That was the first drop in 8 sessions. The Dow Jones Industrial Average finished 0.6% lower, and the Nasdaq was up 0.2%. That's it for the afternoon market report for Wednesday, the 7th of July. Join me tomorrow morning for the regular edition of Fear and Greed, and then for a chat to Rita De Silva about how to find a good asset manager. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.